Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abi Sadewo. I'm a student in the English Language Education Program at Harapan Bangsa University. Today I am excited to share my final internship report, covering my times as a translation intern at Citra Linguist. Before diving into the project, let's look at the core objective of this internship. The first, theory application. I am to take the language theories and technique learner in the classroom and apply them directly to professional translation projects. The second, practical skill. I want to gain hands-on experience that dealing with diverse document types, specifically technical, legal, and education tax. And the finally industry readiness to truly understand the professional workflow, equally standard, and day-to-day responsibility within a real translation agency. The next, let me introduce the agency I work with. Citra Linguist is a professional translation service provider that specializes in both corporate and specialize in individual documentation. Their core service span technical, legal, and education translation. The agency is managed by Mr. Ahmad, and its core mission is simple yet vital, delivering accurate and professional prepared translation service to every client. And the next, one of the defining aspect of this internship was it is structure. The internship was conducted entirely through a remote work assignment. Working from home required to high level of professional discipline and digital literacy. Navigating an independent work, sorry, navigating an individual in independent work environment mean analyzing various digital communication platform, efficiency, and maintaining strict deadline management to ensure no project fell behind. Now, let's discuss the actual project I undertook. My first assignment was a technical manual translation for the Emily G200 baby stroller. I was tasked with translation a comprehensive bilingual product manual from a mix Chinese and English into Indonesian. This project required deep technical terminology research, extreme precision when handling safety warning, and absolute clarity to ensure the assembly instructions were easily for parents to follow. The second project is a legal translation, specifically handling citizenship documentation. I translate at an official certificate of laws of Indonesian citizenship issued by the Ministry of Law, Legal Tax, and highly sensitive. So this project heavily relied on adapting a formal and strict legal linguistic register, ensure the absolute preservation of official personal data, and maintaining the accuracy of institutional terminology. And next, educational record focus on equivalency certificate. I was responsible for translating a package C equivalency certificate or ijazah alongside its corresponding academic transcripts. The main focus here was that determining exact and educational qualification equivalent in the target language. Ensure grade the numerical data accuracy and carefully preserving the original formatting and layout of the documentation. The final assignment is expanded into audiovisual translation with a media subtitling project. This involved the translation and theming of English film dialogue into natural Indonesian subtitles. Subtitling comes with unique challenges such as adhering to straight line and character constraints per lines, adapting formal English into natural spoken Indonesian, and executing pre- precise time synchronization so the text perfectly match the audio. Nah, to handle this diverse project successfully, I follow Citra Linguist structure professional workflow. It consists of four key stage. The first assignment, receiving the text and resource file directly from my supervisor. The second, execution, conducting independent research, drafting and performing the initial translation. The third, reviewing, submitting the draft for equally checks and receiving valuable feedback from Mr. Ahmad. And the last finalization, implementing, revision, and making the final delivery to the client. The next challenges, of course, a professional environment always bring challenge, but I was able to address them with specific strategies. The first, the terminology gap. I solved this doing expensive research using specialized technical dictionaries and analyzing comparable official document. The second, natural register, interest of relying on read word for word translation. I prioritize context appropriate expression expressions. The third is maintaining format integrity. This required meticulous manual layout, reconstruction, so the final translate document perfectly mirror the structure of the resource text. Looking back, the outcome, I'm proud to share that achieve a 100% tax success rate. This experience significantly uh, accelerate my professional growth in the three main areas. The first is a translation skill. I mastered handling varied text domain from technical to audiovisual text. Second is a soft skill. Working remotely drastically improve my time management and work from home discipline. And last, knowledge. I can a deep practical insight into the real translation industry standard. And the last slide is a conclusion. This internship successfully bridged the gap between academic theory and the reality of the translation market. It has fostered the professional confidence I I truly need for a future career in linguistics. I think that's all for my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.